Today we're gonna make a jambalaya. Maybe with a little bit of a Slovenian twist. Maybe not, I don't know. But we got some smokies. We got 2 pounds of chicken thighs. We still have, they're boneless, but they have a skin on, but we'll take that skin off. It would be nice if I found some kind of Louisiana sausage, but I don't think that's happening here in Canada. And it's not on my watch. We're gonna cut up the sausages into slices. Looking like a decent sausage. We'll take the big pot and we'll make a lot. Oil, get things started properly. Down. I'll brown the sausage. Get some of those juices flowing. And then we'll brown the chicken in the filters. The nice thing for sauce or something like that, right? You want to cross cut the chicken across the grain. If the grain goes this way or cut it this way. That's how you get nice pieces that work. Lightly season the chicken. Just really lightly for the amount of chicken we have. Okay, the sausage is ready to vacate the furnaces. Down so we don't burn everything. Nice, now the sausage released some juices too. And all that is going to be the base for our jambalaya. Okay, there's that. Now we do the chicken. I like to slice the onion pretty small, and I think for this kind of jambalaya, I think it's kind of like a stew of a sort, and then you add rice, right? And risotto would be more appropriate word, I think, if I understand anything about jambalaya. Everybody has their own version of this thing, right? We call it risotto back home. Oh yes, it's a strong onion. And then nicely aside. So 2 onions, 1 pound of sausage, 2 pounds of chicken. 4, 5. Anyway, we're gonna wash it. Cold water. Put the hands off. And slice and dice. green peppers. Go back. Chicken out of there. Chicken is nice and has some golden hues. That's what you want. You want to fry it a little bit so the taste stays inside after. It doesn't go completely fall apart when you cook it in the pot. So we got all our meat here. Now we're going to dump the onion in there. Fry up the onion just a little bit. Let it release the water. In the meantime, we'll cut out the rest of the veggies that we want to add. Some tasty smelling peppers. Or maybe 3 jalapeños in there for the good measure. Then we're doing my garlic crusher again, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Pot in here again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We throw the veggies in. We got all the veggies in there now. Now we cook this for about 15 minutes, maybe 20. This is the cover. I'll just set the alarm now. Yes. Nice bunch of fresh veggies. Okay, we got the veggies nice and juicy. Add the meat back in there, so everything gets nice and juicy. Chicken and all its juices. Sausage and all its juices. add 2 to 3 tablespoons here. Looks pretty nice. We'll add some spices, my Cajun seasoning, 2 big spoons. Two big spoons of Cajun seasoning. Smells so good already. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I can smell it already. It's quite a lot of food. So now we cover. We'll let it do its thing on small flame for another 15 to 20 minutes. So everything becomes friends. Okay, now, so this is getting there, nice and juicy. Smells so good. So now we're gonna add the rice. I like to add the rice first before the stock, because then the rice soaks up some stuff before the water hits it. 2.5-ish. Oh, I hate that. And I want to have a whole lot of food. But I'm gonna freeze. Okay, let's move this around a little. The rice situation. Oh my god, this looks so good. Looks so good, smells so good. I'm pretty sure it's good. There will be a lot of food. Okay, I think I have quite a lot of containers. And I exhausted my freezer almost. I have some broth here. I usually use these Knorr cubes. So essentially I learned today that jambalaya is a kind of a risotto. For 3 times amount of liquid as you had rice. That's usually the recipe for rice. It's gonna be so good, oh my god. I can't wait. Okay, that's it. Then we just have to take. Okay, my friends, jambalaya is ready. Let me see. Another piece of chicken, another piece of sausage, some rice. If you want to see. That is some delicious risotto or jambalaya, whatever you want to call it. Both works. And I bet you after I freeze it or whatever, if I let it sit, it's gonna be even tasty. Oh my god, it is.